Hi everybody, it's Manal from miniscraftboutique. Thank you for watching my video today and welcome to the fifth project of my 6x6 series. Today's project is this darling little bag or box, whatever you like to call it, because it works both ways. I'll show you how once we get to that point of the video. I have made this actually keeping in mind the vintage look, because if you look at the pattern of this paper, it gives you that vintagey feel. And these are great if you're planning to gift someone cosmetics, or you are planning to have a bridal shower, and to make everything different, you are planning to gift your friends as a thank you some cosmetics such as nail paints or lipsticks or whatever you choose, because it's quite spacious inside. I will show you that it can hold 2 lipsticks in it at a time. And for now I have put this nail paint like this, just added a little bow in gold twine, and it makes a great gift. And this is the same color that I'm wearing right now. So I have given you quite a great idea of the size of the box, so that you can plan according to your wish. Okay, so for this you are going to need a piece of paper that obviously measures 6 by 6, and let's just crack on. You need an envelope punch board for this. This is not only used for making envelopes, but it has many other uses as well. And over here you can see that you have scale both in inches and in centimeters as well. So you slide your card and you punch and score and you get your final result. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to punch and score at 1.5 like this, and then you slide it to 3 inches like this, and again you're going to punch and score. You're again going to slide it at 5.25, but this time you're not going to punch, you're only going to score over here. Now you're going to rotate it, and ignoring this 5.25 score line, you are going to, now you can see that you have these 2 score lines, and you're going to line these score lines with this notch over here, okay, with this guide. So if I just show you, this is how you're going to line it up. Okay, you are again going to punch and score, and then slide it so that it now aligns with the second one over here. Okay, and you are going to punch and score again. All right, now rotate it at 90 again, and now you're going, it has come back to 1.5. Now you're going to punch and score again like so, slide it, and it's at 3 over here, and this score line is matching with this, or is aligned with the notch. You're again going to punch and score, and then again you're going to slide it to 5.25. No punching this time, just the score line. Okay, and then you rotate it again, and on the final side you're going to again punch and score. Okay, and again this is going to be your last one. Okay, so now this is the shape of the paper that you're going to get. If you wish, you may round the corners, which you can do over here. For the box that I have just shown you, I didn't round its corners. So this was all the punching and scoring that needed to be done. Now we are going to fold on all the lines that we have made on all the 4 sides, and these ones are partial ones. If you just fold them like this, they are going to easily crease. Okay, so we are going to do and reinforce all the lines on all 4 sides. It is pretty easy. It looks a bit complicated, but it is not at all. Okay, and now if I just flip it over, you can see these 4 corners. Okay, and these are going to be our joining segments, or you can say the joining flaps. So what are we going to do? We're going to cut them at an angle on this side. Okay, and take your scissors and you're going to cut on this core line and just cut at an angle, so that when you fold it like this, it is not giving you bulk on the inner side. Do this on all 4 sides. If you wish, you can make these as birthday favors as well. You can gift chocolates, or your these make baby birth announcement gifts as well. So this is what we needed to cut. And now grab your glue, flip it over, and on these parts you're going to put your glue. Okay, like this on all 4 of these tabs. Okay, and you're going to fold them like so. So you can see it has already started to take the shape of a box. Do this over here as well. Like this. Just hold them for a second or 2 so that they stick well. Do this here. And now just fold these flaps in, and this is going to make your gift bag. If you want to convert it into the shape of a box, just fold this here like this, and this is going to be folded outside, and this is going to make your pretty little box. Okay, you can attach velcro over here, or a magnet, or just a simple glue dot, and this is your box which is ready. I'm going to go with the shape of the bag again, and I am going to punch a hole over here, which is its handle, and I'm just going to eyeball the center, and I've got my hole, and then I'm going to feed the ribbon through, and this is too much to be used, so let me just take half of it, fold it in half like this, and feed it through like so. Just neaten the edges, take off the extra bits of ribbon. For the sentiment, I am going to use these die cuts. This gold complements really with this vintage look, and I am going to go with, I think this one, or this, I think I'm going to go with this one this time. So I'm just popping it out. I'm going to attach a bit of the foam dimension, and making sure that I attach it to the bottom half of it, and I'm going to put it just here, and your box is ready. Just take out this nail paint, just slide it inside. I'm just not bothering to open it up, and here's your pretty little gift box ready to be given away to your friends. So I hope that you have liked today's project. I hope to speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.